What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Soul Status Quick Hitters. Today I'm sitting here with Chris and Mike as usual, and today we're going to be talking about the Anthracite 5s. Alright, so make sure to go ahead and like and subscribe before this video if you want to see more videos like this. We're doing a lot of interesting stuff. You can keep up with us at the store. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. We even got our website coming up here, so you can check out some of our inventory on there. And let's get right into it, guys.
Let's go. I guess I'll start first.
Okay.
I'm a fan of the shoe.
Yeah.
I love the materials that they used. Yeah, it could be your so-called, what do they call it? Off-white Jordan 5, poor man off-white 5, poor man metallic black. I like the gray color scaling and the black. I love the metallic M3 reflective on the M3 or the 3M that they use on the tongue and on the mesh here. Really cool shoe. I think people hate on it, but looks great on foot.
Definitely were more limited than what we thought.
Were they?
Yeah, I think they were. They were kind of hard to get. Like, none of the stores around here.
Because we live in Toledo. I heard Columbus, they were sitting.
Within 100 miles, you couldn't find that shoe at a store.
Yeah, but the resale is not much. It's at like $250 right now.
I know. It's a really good buy if you're looking for something kind of just to wear, to throw it onto the toe. I made the joke a couple weeks ago that, yeah, this might be the poor man's off-white 5, but I think it's got some hits that one doesn't. Like, you kind of brought up the 3M and the netting, which I think is really dope. The toe box up here, instead of like your leather, it's kind of got that nylon, kind of like an Air Max 90. And the tongue, you know, typically when you're looking at a Jordan 5, that 3M is up on the top. They moved it down to the bottom, gave you some different hits. The lace loops here kind of give you the same vibe as the milky sole on the bottom. So I think it's a cool shoe. I like the kind of changes in color that you get, where you go from gray to the black with the white stitching. Super dope shoe. You still have your lace lock up top here, but that's what I like. I dig it. I dig it more than I thought I would once I got it in hand.
Yeah, I'd agree with both of you guys. I mean, I think with the 5s, one of the things that people worry about is obviously this right here, yellowing, cracking. Now that you have this 3M material here, it doesn't feel like the hard plastic that they normally use down here. So it's much more flexible. It's not going to yellow like the outsole. So that's really cool. I like that you're not going to see a lot of creasing here on the toe box because of the material they decided to pick. The black midsole with these silver shark fins is a really, really nice touch. Kind of gives you that black metallic 5 vibe. I mean, the quality of the shoe is very nice. The suede that they chose to use, and even this material, it's
like a mesh, like a nylon, kind of like a ballistic nylon.
Almost reminds me of like Carhartt or something.
Yeah.
It kind of has that durable feel to it. This matches probably most of my wardrobe.
Yeah.
You know? I mean, very, very nice shoe, very easy to clean, very wearable. I think it's a great pickup. And for $250, I mean, considering how limited they were, I mean, they were limited in terms of the amount of distributors, but in terms of the amount of pairs out there, they obviously didn't underproduce it too badly, or else we would see a much higher 100%. Resale. You have so many heaters coming out, really all the way up until April.
Yeah, maybe the demand wasn't there.
Yeah, not yet.
But might be one that rises slowly.
Lovely shoe.
It is. What'd you think of the Anthracite? Let us know in the comments down below. And we'll be back with more quick hitters and more reviews, more shoes in the coming days. So stick around with us, like, share, and subscribe as always.
Appreciate it.
See you
later.
Guys.